In a primetime news follow-up now, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the patient who tested positive for monkeypox is expected to make a full recovery. Additionally, healthcare workers are being prepared to deal with the disease. Jamaica Maitland has our story.
Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton says the country's healthcare workers have been receiving training on how to identify and treat monkeypox. Early symptoms include fever, headache, muscle ache and swollen lymph nodes, which is usually followed by a rash of pus-like pimples. It lasts between 2 to 4 weeks.
So I think that we're pretty prepared, and the truth is a lot of the issues around monkeypox in terms of the protocols and so on are similar to COVID. So COVID being more dangerous actually. So I think we're ready and able to deal with that.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, there's no specific treatment for the infections. However, antiviral drugs and vaccines developed to protect against diseases like smallpox may be used to prevent and treat it. Additionally, the CDC says other drugs can be used. It's why Dr. Tufton believes patient 0 is expected to make a full recovery.
There doesn't seem to be any imminent threat to life. So the health system is doing what it needs to do. He's isolated and he's being treated, and the chances are that he will recover, and we pray for that and hope for that and work for that. The fatality rate of monkeypox is relatively low globally when you look at the numbers, so I don't anticipate any major unforeseen circumstance.
But the World Health Organization says it's concerned about the spread of the once rare disease. WHO's Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus says a meeting has been set for the week of July 18 to determine if monkeypox is a global health emergency. Just days before, on June 27, the same committee declared that it was not. More than 6,000 cases have been detected in 58 countries. 3 people have died so far. It's now in 80% of Europe and is spreading throughout the UK, United States and Australia. And as global travel continues to take off due to the decrease in COVID-19 cases, focus is now on monkeypox and the threat it poses to global health. Still, the health minister is urging Jamaicans not to panic.
This is not an attempt at trying to scaremonger or create panic, but it is a reality that monkeypox or any other such contagious virus or disease is best controlled with information and with personal responsibility in the first instance, not just about what hospitals and doctors can do.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.